Assalamu alaikum everyone. After a blessed month of Ramadan, Eid ul-Fitr is finally here. It's a day of joy, gratitude and togetherness. Let's thank Allah for his endless blessing and pray that he accepts all our ibadah. Let's forgive, spread love and make this day special for everyone around us. Eid is not just about celebration, it's about caring, sharing, and being grateful. Thank you so much, everyone, for hearing my speech and pray to Allah for me. I can do something for Islam in this world, inshallah ta'ala. Eid Mubarak to you and your family. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.